Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name's Luke. This is the Safari Bushman channel with all kinds of fun, outdoor, family-friendly content on this YouTube channel. So, as you saw by the title and the thumbnail of this video, we're going partridge hunting, bird hunting, whatever you want to call it, on a mini bike. I think I'm the first person on YouTube to do this, so that's cool. Just a quick disclaimer. I'll be blurring out all of the footage of me dispatching the animal because I don't want to get taken down this video by YouTube because it's a lot of work to make it. And I also don't want to offend anybody and get on the bad side of YouTube. So just to let you know, you do not have to worry. I will not be offending any of you, of my subscribers or my viewers, because I don't want to do that either. Now in a situation like this is where an ATV has the upper hand on something like a mini bike or a dirt bike on a trail. That big puddle, you had an ATV or a side-by-side, four-wheeler side-by-side, you could just drive right through it. But with a mini bike or a dirt bike, you have to think outside the box and go around. Also regarding the setup, on everything. I drove by a police officer, an OPP, and he looked, and he just kept on driving because he obviously knows that this is legit setup. Everything's legal. I'm pretty popular, you know, with this huge YouTube channel, so maybe he even watched my videos. Not likely. But anyhow, let's get back on the trail ride. Hopefully we will see a bird. Looks a little rough up there. Let's see about it. Might be some chickens. That mini bike's got no suspension. You feel every single bump. That'll make an old man out of you. Forget that. Get out of there. There's a chicken right up there. Let's go in the bush. Try and get him. Walking away. Rolling. Okay. Now. Okay. See where he went. There he is. Got him. Oh, now there we are. Awesome. It's just flapping. That's what they do. Awesome. Successful hunt. I got the one bush chicken. Put in the back here, the mini bike, in the milk crate. Now, I gotta get heading home because it's gonna be dark soon. I gotta cook them up while he's fresh.
how to clean them. Now, if you don't know, this is how you clean them. Take the bird. Step on his two wings. There we go. That leaves you with a fresh breast.
Now, the $1 million question is, can you hunt off a mini bike? And the answer is, absolutely. If you're adventurous, you want to have fun, can't afford an ATV, get a mini bike and hunt off it. One of the many things you can do with this tiny, little, affordable machine. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, that bell icon, so you get notified so you don't miss another video. We're getting up there, we're climbing the ladder. We're almost to 100 subscribers, which is my goal by the end of 2025. Thank you so much for those encouraging comments. Keeps me going. Takes a lot of work making these videos. Sometimes I stutter, I say the wrong word, and I gotta redo it. So that takes probably the most time making these videos. But I'm getting better. I'm trying to remember what I'm gonna say. I don't have the best memory, but I'm trying to say it clearly too. So, thanks again. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care in LA. Bye for now.